Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to seminar on ELT class. Let me introduce myself. My name is Silvika, and I am delighted to be here today to talk to you about the use of English songs to improve student speaking ability, written by Sri Wahyuni, Hijatul Kamariah, and Mulyadi Syaputra. My presentation divided into 6 parts. The first part is abstracts and introduction, and then method, findings, discussion, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, let's start from abstracts. This study is to implement English songs in teaching speaking for English department students at STKIP Bina Bangsa Getsempana, Banda Aceh. The aim of the study was to find out students' improvements in speaking ability by using English songs. Let's move to introduction. Introduction divided into 3 parts. The first part is definition of speaking. According to Falsher, speaking is the verbal use of language to communicate with others. Speaking is to express something through voice conversation. When someone does a conversation, it means that it's something important to deliver. Something should be disclosed properly to what is disclosed can be understood by others. Therefore, students must learn how to communicate well in order to be understood by others. In addition, Burns and Joyce in Flores defined speaking is an interactive process of constructing meaning that involves producing, receiving, and processing information. Because in speaking, we can know the student's ability in produce the target language. The main purpose of speaking is to send a message to the others or to communicate about something in language and understood by a listener. The second part is problem in speaking. Based on the preliminary study that conducted by the researcher in the class, some students feel shy to speak in public because they are not confident to speak English. They are afraid to do a mistake while speaking English, or they do not want to speak because their friend will say that they are arrogant. This became a problem since speaking one is their first subject on how to speak in English. Moreover, students do not have enough English vocabularies to speak. Because of it, many students of English department students find difficulties in learning speaking and prefer to learn in a structured way. The last part is solution of the problem. Based on this reason, the researcher intends to give an alternative teaching media that can be used in teaching speaking to the students and make speaking class enjoyable, interesting, and communicative. In this case, the researchers choose the topic, the use of English songs to improve students' speaking ability. The English songs would make them not only active in thinking, but also in speaking. It also helps the teacher to teach the students speaking English easier and more interesting. Students would not be bored because they have to be active and give their participation in speaking class during the teaching learning process. In daily life, especially students are often singing a song they like without knowing that they can improve their ability in spoken or written. But in this research, the writer would use the English songs to improve student speaking. Song is one kind of media that can help teacher draw students' interest and build up their motivation to learn. If the students are motivated, they will participate actively and will learn hard during teaching learning process. Thus, the teacher utilizes English songs to help them in getting the students' interest during the speaking class. In the process of teaching, the teacher can use media in order to stimulate students' interest. One of media is English songs. We move to method. Method divided into 3 parts. The first part is research design. The type of this research was an experimental research, and the design of this research was quasi-experimental, which used one group pretest and post-test design. Based on Gay and Eresian, say that quasi-experimental research is one of the types of research that can test a hypothesis to establish relationship, cause, and effect. The researchers took quasi-experimental designs used in this study because this design has a purpose of improving students' speaking ability by using English songs in one class, and it made researchers easy in seeing their improvement on speaking after giving the treatment. The researchers took some subjects from the population. The samples took in the second semester students of English department at STKIP Bina Bangsa Getsempena Banda Aceh. The writer took only one class as the sample and respondent of this research by using English songs. The instruments of this research test, the speaking test administered in the pre-test and the post-test. We move to findings. Those tests were conducted to the single group, the second semester students of English Language Education Department of STKIP Bina Bangsa Getsempena Banda Aceh that consists of 39 students. The writer presented and analyzed the data through pre-test and post-test. Those tests were conducted to the single group, the second semester students of English Language Education Department of STKIP Bina Bangsa Getsempena Banda Aceh that consists of 39 students. While the research was conducted, only 35 students that attend the class and follow the test. It happened because some of them didn't come to the class with certain reason. The pre-test was given before applying English song and the post-test was given after applying song. The writer took the students' score based on speaking characteristic that was tested by Brown. They are grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, fluency, and comprehension. This is the table of pre-test and post-test. Okay, let's talk about discussion. The result of the test. Based on the result of the statistical computing using a t-test, the results showed that there were significant difference between pre-test and post-test. The result of t-test was 7.25. If the t-test was compared to t-table with the degree of freedom 34 as stated in hypothesis testing, the t-test 7.25 was higher than the t-table 2.14. So, based on the hypothesis testing, applying English songs to improve student speaking ability is effective to teaching speaking, and absolutely students' speaking ability were increased and had good improvement on them. After getting the treatment, the students were more enthusiastic and motivated to speak. They also enjoyed when present the material. Meanwhile, students got easy to speak something and also more enjoyable to spread out their idea by listening to the English songs, and the teacher also helped the performance of individual students directly. So the students didn't nervous about how to say things in a foreign language based on their idea. In addition, they had self-confidence to tell a story in front of the class. The use of English songs to improve students' speaking ability also gave some advantage both teacher and students. In conclusion, let me sum up my main points. There are 3 points. First one is English songs in an effective media to use in improving students' speaking ability. In Speaking 1, at the second semester of English Education Department students of STKIP Bina Bangsa Getsempena Banda Aceh, it can be seen from the score obtained by the students before using English songs or in pretest shown that they got 55 of mean score. The second point, the student's ability in post-test is improved after applying English songs in the process of teaching learning speaking. It's shown from the students' post-test of mean score that they got 63. And the last point, the total score after applying English songs in the process of speaking was higher than before. It can be known from the mean of t-test score is 7.25 that was greater than t-table 2.14. It means that there was an improvement of student speaking ability by using English songs. Okay, that's bring me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.